2, 3, feel the magic. It's Pixie! Hello!
Introduce one by one po.
Hi, I am Pixie Mita, the leader of the group. Hello everyone, I am Pixie Kat, the main dancer in the group. Hello everyone, I'm Pixie Nicole, the center of Pixie. I am Hi, I'm Madam
So, Pixie, kamusta naman yung preparations niyo for this particular event?
Actually, not that hard because we are enjoying every practice that we have. Despite we have a lot of schedules going on, right? Like, we had a project where we carol with other people groups. So with this, we get to have fun with them also. And at the same time, when we go back to our studio, we train as well. So it's fun. It's fun. And I hope that everybody will get to see our performance later on. Will see how much fun we did training them, and I hope everyone can enjoy and have fun also.
Alright. So, what are your expectations for next year as a group?
Oh.
Currently, we're preparing for our new songs.
Yes.
So,
New songs.
Yes.
Wow.
Album na ba yan? Hindi, joke.
Comeback na ba this?
Oh my God.
So we're very excited po for next year kasi ang dami po namin pinaghandahan talaga. And more contents from us.
And also kasama din po doon yung TVs na spoiler. So make sure po na abangan niyo po. And you want something for the people also? My
For the future, or for the next year, we would also like to have more tours. And yes, makapag-campus tours, tours kami. Not only on malls or other events, but also we want to visit different schools around the Philippines.
And I hope that this won't be the last Solo P-pop concert because we are actually having fun also because we get to be with other people and to interact with our fans also. That's the thing that we always look forward to be with our fans and perform with them.
Okay, so lastly, can you invite or promote your social media accounts to all your fans?
We'd like to invite you guys to vote for us on the podcast for People Pataas. We're also nobody center, so yes, and also make sure to follow our social media accounts at Pixie Official PH para ma-updated po kayo sa mga next feature na gagawin namin. And also new songs. Yes, and I hope it will be P-pop's year. Yeah, next year.
Manifest, yeah.
Madaming P-pop. Yes. We're claiming and blessing for the P-pop community. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Pixie.
Thank you, Pixie.